8,000 views.
That's good though.
I know you guys watching this, some of y'all are not subscribed. Soon, the 1J is gonna be ripping on the streets. I already know it. You guys have to subscribe. Right, Rick?
They do whatever they want.
All right, so we're back with another one. Last night, unfortunately, we forgot to record some stuff, but we got chipped off another thing on the E36. So we were able to get the rear windshield completely installed. Well, the rear lexan. So we put a seal, that's all that black. So we sealed it, got all the bolts in, and it's pretty good now. Now it's in there. Yeah. I know I forgot to record again, but I am sorry. No. So we got the clutch delay valve in. I'll show you when I get there. We forgot to record, but I just had Andre bleed the clutch. So I think we're all good. I'm just gonna zip tie it up for now, before I try to find like a final resting spot. So for now, I'm just gonna zip tie it away.
Oh, where's my light?
There you go.
But there it is. We got it plumbed in. So I'm just gonna zip tie it up for now.
You're too late. I already pretty much made this line. Dre's over there sleeping with the camera.
My bad camera duty.
I know, we forgot to record installing the clutch delay valve completely.
But we did it.
We're gonna record it.
We did install it. Clutch delay valve installed. Now what are we doing, Rick?
Making catch can lines.
Catch can
Amazon
line.
just delivered these bad boys. Good old Amazon special for the oil catch can. They see me do this so many times. I've done it. That's probably the one thing I've done the most on the channel record wise.
Making lines?
Making AM.
Because you do it all yourself.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna show you how to measure it too. One more? Let's do one more. One bitch tight. That's good. Alright. Line made. So we bring it over. Andre, please follow me.
Yes, sir.
Dude, I bet it's like you're on your way. Oh, these great sleep. Drape it over. Push it through here. Get a little measurement. I'm about to fire sleeve this one.
Is the fire sleeve just black?
Yeah, looks like this. And these. Just because it's close to the exhaust.
Yeah.
So we thread it on. And there's going to be something here, hopefully, to cushion this bend, like that. Then we pick one. So I'm going to do this one first. Take that off. And go. Pretty much up to the threads. Oh, grab this shit. And just put it over where you want to make your cut. Right there. Do a couple of wraps. And guess what? We take it back off. Then, bring it back over here. On through that. Hang on. Move.
You gotta bring the board in here to go back and forth.
Huh?
You gotta bring your board in here to go back and forth.
No, you know what you bring? You bring fucking old Bert. Then you hold it. Put it in there. Find center. Well, not center, but find where it's like pretty straight. Fucking kind of straight. Fucking send it. There's the one line. That looks pretty good. These shears are a lot better than the Whizzer. I used to use the Whizzer method, where you get the fucking, you get one of these, but
Phrase the line.
it doesn't fray the line, but it gets like debris in the line. And then I try to take a little bit off. So we just try to leave like one on there, like one complete turn. Like one wrap, so we'll go like right there. So now we took all that off, but just left that to help it not fray. And then just push. It's not like the Dash 16 where it takes me an hour. This actually is not that bad. Yeah, get that. It's harder than it looks.
So this is how it goes in. You just spin it
so this
in.
presses on first, and there's little indents in the line, and when you thread this in, it pushes in between it. It pushes them out against the line, so it doesn't come out. Oh yeah, this fucking shit's hard. You want to go pretty much up to the threads like that. It's actually a little too much sauce right there. There you go. Put her back in. Usually it works. Measurement wise. And we gotta oil them up a little bit. Oil the threads and the part that slides in. Don't cross thread it either. It's hard to turn. Back her out. And the same thing. Just tighten down or turn. Like right now, it's super hard. Ah. Hey, old knuckle buster. Look at that. Woo! Damn, brother.
I think you had to tighten that a little bit more.
Oh, I did look, it's still on there. That's good. It's convenient. I'm gonna go a little farther in. All right, there. And look at that. Not dinged up. Ooh, lied.
Barely.
Fire! Okay.
And she's mint.
It's one down. See if we can get a shove. Alright, ready? Shove.
Ew.
Almost. Yeah, it's going in. Keep going. Just right before it gets to the threads. Valvoline, sponsor me. I love your stuff.
20W50 only.
No, not necessarily. In the LSs, you run 2030. I mean 1030.
In LSs?
Only. Yeah. Well, in our applications. The stuff we run only needs 1030. But VR1 only. You only run that shit in my truck too. Old Silverado. Can't run in the M3 because they don't make 1060. Same concept, boys.
In the trans the first time.
This one's getting hard. Almost there, boys. Dude. Alrighty.
At least now we know it's getting close.
I know, I'm
Tighten up the battery.
fucking touch them together, I die. I never get to drive the car. Damn, right over my mitt. Trying to see my grill.
Bro.
Want to see you what?
These taillights look so good with this color. Yo, so you know how like the new Supra has a BMW engine?
True.
Opposite.
Let's go with clutch wheel.
God.
Wait, you turned it off when? You didn't get it?
I got that.
Oh. Woo, I thought you didn't get it.
No, I got it.
I was giving you one opportunity for me to rip it. That feels good. Definitely need to bleed the clutch more because the clutch isn't really bled that well. But I mean, it's crazy because it's so loud. That was probably only like 10 miles an hour. It was just in first gear. Did you hear the blow off valve that time? No. Yeah, I didn't think so. Quiet though. Motor runs pretty quiet though, right? Like engine bay noise. Yeah, it's quiet. Gas scan's not that bad. Lower than hood level. Which I like. Gotta tuck me in somewhere. Something like that. Yeah. I like it.
It looks so crazy without a hood.
I know. It's gonna be a shame when I put the hood on. It looks so good without the hood.
LTW wing.
we're back sitting here trying to edit the video, and we got no outro. Unfortunately today, I liked how the clutch felt, but the way I bled it, I just think I got to try to gravity bleed the clutch delay valve, try to get as most air out of that valve as I can, just because it was an empty valve originally. Try to empty that a little more, just get a little more bleeding out of it, because right now it's not bled correctly. Double check the AN lines, because all the amount of fittings and adapters that I had to use, I just want to double check everything. But at first it feels great. Like, first off the bat, like, that clutch delay valve did wonders for the chatterness of the clutch. Felt great. I did use the 50,000s, no, 40,000s. I just went in the middle, so that you go from, you can get a 30,000s, 30,000s, 40,000s, or 50,000s. Comes with the 50,000s. I put a 40,000s in, just a little middle ground. If it's too much and I feel like its clutch is slipping too much, then I'll put the 50,000s in, because that's a bigger size, and we'll go from there. But we were able to get the catch can lines all buttoned up. I still want to get them kind of zip tied together, not zip tied, but like just, I guess, held together. See if I can get some -10 hose separators. And once we get the carbon plate to delete the firewall and cover all those nasty wires that we got exposed, hopefully it's strong enough to, I guess, hold the catch can lines like against that, because right now they're kind of going in there. So if we can get them nice, routed nice against there, I just feel like that'd be perfect. But that's it for today. We got a couple more things done on the car. I mean, I'm running out of things to do on this that I could think of, other than once we put the hood on and like sorting out, like getting tuned and all. But like before the tune, like, I'm running out of things to do. Like, I'm trying to make sure I get everything in order, and I keep thinking and I'm running them out, which is a good thing. But yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there, guys. Really soon. Really, really soon. Like, by the end of this month, I should have at least made my appointment with Carl Pritz at KP Tuning to get my tune set up. And I'm super hyped, because this thing's going to be awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, it's another video for you guys. I'm trying to get them out. It's hard. It's hard. I mean, full-time job, trying to get all these videos out after work is not the easiest thing, but hey, I'm trying. For me, I'm a little old head, I guess, because 9:30 here, and I'm like, dang, it feels super late to me. But that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoy, and just keep hoping that videos just keep getting better. So, peace.